going to be talking to you guys about how long it will take for you to go from 30% body fat to 15% body fat, and the timeline from going from 30% body fat to 15% body fat. So I'm going to be using someone that's 100 kilos. Let's say someone who weighs 100 kilos as an example. And yeah, so now when trying to cut, guys, yeah, you should aim for every single week for the rate of weight loss to be, you should aim every single week to lose anywhere between 0.75 to 1% of your body weight per week. That's a very good rate for you to, lose that amount of weight. So if you're, I've calculated this, let's say if you're someone that loses 1% of their body weight every single week, going from 30% to 15% body fat, you would end up getting to 15% body fat in 15 weeks. But however, let's say if you lose on average 0.75% of your body weight per week, then it would take you 20 weeks. Then you would have to be cutting for 20 weeks to get to 15% body fat, which is something that I would recommend you guys to, it is going to take you 20 weeks, but I would recommend to do it in one straight cut, because you're going to have to be dieting for 20 weeks and you won't be able to sustain that. So I'd recommend you guys to split that 20-week cut in half, or even if you do it for 15 weeks, actually, it's better to do it in half. But let's say if it takes you 20 weeks, then I'd recommend to do it within 2 cuts. So you should first cut for 12 weeks and along with a 4-week diet break, where you're going to slowly back into maintenance for 2 weeks, and then in 2 weeks you're just going to focus on maintaining your weight, eating at maintenance calories, roughly at maintenance calories, for 2 weeks, and then you're going to start the cut all over again, and you can do it for around 8 to 10 weeks within your next cut in order to get to 15. Now, in terms of how much kilos that 100 kg person needs to lose, for an example, so in order to calculate that, you must calculate, obviously you need to know your body fat percentage, which is 30%. You will need to do 100 kilos, multiply it by the decimal number of that body fat percentage. So you multiply it by 0.23. That's how much fat you have. Now, to calculate how much you need to lose to get to 15%, you would simply get that number, and you can easily divide it by 2, because 30% divided by 2 is 15, right? So let's say you need to lose 30 kg, sorry. Let's say that's 30 kg of fat that's stored within you fully. Then you need to lose 15 kg of fat in order to get to 15% body fat. So that's the way to calculate how long it's going to take you to get to 15% body fat, and that's the timeline explained that will take you from 30% body fat to 15% body fat. And that's it from me. If you want more information on how to get lean, then click the 12 to 15% body fat guide link down within the description of this video. If not, then the fact that you've watched this video is good enough for me, and I'll see you on the next one.